Okay, here's the book Corduroy by Don Freeman. So I just want to look inside the book and see if we can figure out some of these words. Corduroy watched them sadly as they walked away. I didn't know I'd lost a blank, he said to himself. Tonight I'll go and see if I can find it. Now, what could this word be in the blank? I see Corduroy looking at something. I didn't know I'd lost a looking, he said to himself. No, that doesn't make sense. I know it has to be a thing. I see he doesn't have shoes. Maybe he lost a shoe? I didn't know I'd lost a shoe, he said to himself. That makes sense. In the other picture, I see his button is missing. I didn't know I'd lost a button, he said to himself. That makes sense too. Let's see which one it is by looking at the word. I didn't know I'd lost a button, he said to himself. That makes sense. All right, let's look at the next one. Late that evening, when all the shoppers had gone and the doors were shut and locked, Corduroy climbed carefully down from his blank. He climbed carefully down from his rabbit? He climbed carefully down from his doll? No, they don't make sense. I think it has to be a place. Well, I see him sitting on like a bookcase or a shelf. Let's see if any of those fit. Shelf. Late that evening, when all the shoppers had gone and the doors were shut and locked, Corduroy climbed carefully down from his shelf. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, let's try one more. And began blank everywhere on the floor for his lost button. And began red everywhere on the floor for his lost button? No, that doesn't make sense. I think it has to be something he's doing. And began looking everywhere on the floor for his lost button? Yeah, that makes sense. When I lose something, I sometimes search for it, maybe searching, and began searching everywhere on the floor for his lost button. Let's see. Searching. And he began searching everywhere on the floor for his lost button. Okay? Did you see what Mr. Winter did? I thought about what word would fit in the blank and would make sense. So listen carefully to your reading, and when you get to a tricky word, think about what kind of word might come next. Okay? Try to practice.